This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. How are you? Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit. Let's unbox it. But this time, I actually didn't buy anything. I want to say a very special thank you to Susan, because Susan, she watched one of my videos where I unboxed one of these emotional hairy monsters. And let's just say, I'm not going to blame Teso Life, but I'm going to blame somebody because I was supposed to get this thing. I was supposed to get this adorable little guy that had all these little accessories, but no, they did not do that. Instead, what did I get? This guy with no inner tube, no sunglasses, no nothing. And while he is really, really cute, let's just say I was disappointed. I actually was even more than disappointed. I was outright fuming. Okay. So I was very surprised that Susan reached out to me on Instagram and was like, hey, they did you dirty. Here you go, princess. Here's a whole case. Have at it, have fun. And I literally was having a horrible day at work. I sobbed, not even joking. I sobbed because I was like, oh my God, my community is so nice to me, because y'all are beautiful and wonderful and I would be nothing without you. And I just, loved it so much. Also very happy that this came from Pop Boxes, which let me tell you, Pop Boxes, I love them. They are amazing. Listen, if you're starting to join me in this unboxing adventure, if you're interested in Maymay's, Lulu Piggy, Pop Mart, whatever, they pretty much have everything. Go to Pop Boxes. I'll leave all the information down below. And if you're feeling froggy and you want to make a purchase, please remember to use the code Theresa. If you're interested, definitely go use it. Enjoy it. You're welcome. I want to say really thank you so much to Susan for just making my day. And I cannot wait to unbox these little boys because I really like that they're called emotional hairy monsters. They're so funny. And I can't wait to now have the full collection behind me. So Susan, I love you. Thank you. And if we ever meet in person, I'm going to shrink you down and I'm going to keep you forever. So I'm sorry in advance, but I'll make sure you have a very good life. Thank you. All right, let's open up these little beauties. Let me get my trusty box cutter that I have to carefully unbox because it's too sharp and Alex is always nervous about me using it. You know, I was trying to make it look nice. Not happening. It's just not happening. Just not happening at all. So, all right, I'm gonna start with oh, I forgot how heavy these are. Okay, I'm gonna start with box number 1, but here are all my little options. They're all so cute, but we need to make sure that we get Delight, all right? We need to make sure that he has his proper accessories. I will die if all of these little babes do not have their accessories, because then I'd be like, there's something wrong at the factory. But we're gonna think positive thoughts here, okay? Because they need to be home with their mother, okay? But all right, here's everybody. We have anger, sadness, delight. I love social phobia. That's so good. Curiosity and affection. And then of course we have the secret. So let's see. I think this one's gonna be sadness. I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be sadness because everything is sad these days. All right, let's unbox. Oh. Ah, bitch. Listen, bitch. Okay. I'm psychic. Okay, here is the cute little card. Okay. And, oh, so technically, oh, this is so, oh, this is so cute. Hold on, I gotta move his little thingy. Okay, oh, look at his little snaggle tooth. Oh my God, just like his mother. I love this. Here's his little bag. He has a little fishy in it. He's so sad. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, so technically, all right, they come with this little guy, which you could kind of make him a bag charm, but listen, no lie, this boy is heavy as he is heavy. So I don't think I would ever use him as a little bag charm, but you could do it if you wanted to. God damn, you're gonna weigh my whole bag down. So we're not gonna do that. Instead, we're gonna kind of keep these on the side, but these are actually kind of helpful though for other bag charms. So that's nice. Here it is. So cute. Oh, he's so fun. He's so fun. You know, for someone who's so sad, he looks pretty fucking happy, just saying. He obviously must be on some sort of antidepressant, and I love that. Okay, moving on. Next box. Ooh, next box. Immediately, I'm drawn to affection. I feel like it's gonna be affection, so money is on affection. No, oh no, but it's social phobia. Ah! Okay, first of all, ma'am, we love this. Again, comes with a little thing that you can make this a little bag charm, but this shit is heavy. Oh, and it actually says social phobia on it. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, that's so fun. So then this one should say sadness, right? Oh, it does say so. Oh, that's so sad. Okay. Oh, this one is so, normally I'm like not the biggest into bunnies because I always feel like the bunnies look kind of weird. I don't know. Like I like bunnies on their own, but then bunnies in blind boxes, I'm like, the f is this? This one is so cute. Oh, if I had a nerdy child. Oh, you're so cute. Something about the one tooth, man. The one tooth kills me. Love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, we have a little social phobia card. All right, so far I got one and then I didn't guess correctly on one. So yeah. Moving on. What do I think this is gonna be? I think this is gonna be curiosity or anger. It's either gonna be curiosity or anger. My money's on curiosity. No, bitch, it's anger. It's anger. Oh, look how mad he is. Oh, he's so cute. He has a little fire for his little ass there. Oh, he's so angry. Oh, I can relate to this so much. Oh my God. All right, let me show you this little card. Oh, that's so cute. And again, comes with a teeny tiny charm. It says anger on it. Listen, I really don't even remember this. I gotta rewatch my Teso Life video, but I don't remember seeing this. But maybe I did get one of these and I blocked it out because I was so angry for not getting the little tiny inner tube. But he is a cutie, he's adorable, and we are both so angry and I love it. 3 boxes left. Ooh, okay, these two feel the heaviest. So let's do this one. I think this one's gonna be curiosity. So what we're missing so far is delight, curiosity, and affection, or potentially the secret. But I think this one's going to be curiosity. No, bitch, it's affection. Oh, you are so cute. Look how, that one is so sweet. And it has like little wings, like little Cupid wings in the back. Oh my God, shut the fuck up. You are so cute. Ah, angers me how cute they are. That one's super cute. Love the card. And again, has a little, there we go, has affection. Here's your little stringy thing. It's so funny because like where the oh, I get it. All right, I'm stupid. Right on the top there, you can kind of, hold on, I'll show you. Hi, get in the hole, bitch. Hi, you dirty bitch, get in there. Okay. Oh yeah, that's heavy. Yeah, no way. No way I'm putting this on my bag. Holy shit. Unless, ow, that could be a that could be a weapon. Maybe if I lived in New York, I could see this being on my bag, and then if somebody was with me, just hit him in the head with it. But here, I probably should actually still have it. All right, I'm thinking about it. Okay, so we have 2 more left. Curiosity and delight. I think this one's gonna be curiosity. Let's see if I'm right. No! Oh, no! Ah, yay! I got the accessories, bitch! Look at that card. That's cute. Look at my boy. Okay. Oh, look at my boy. Hold on, let me get him together, okay? Shut the f up, okay? You are so cute. You're so cute. And this is another thing why I love pop boxes, okay? Because pop boxes obviously knew they obviously knew that all the pieces needed to be in the box, okay? I'm not blaming Teso Life, but I'm not blaming Teso Life. But pop boxes, thank you, baby. And again, if you ever want anything, use that code Theresa. Save some money. But look at this little delight. Oh my God, I love you. Oh, this is worth the wait, all right? So let me show you. Oh, where are you, buddy? This, naked delight, okay? Fully torqued delight. Need I say anything else, okay? Fucking 10 out of 10. I love this one so much. And yeah, I really don't think I even got this thing in there. I have to rewatch the video because like I don't remember seeing this at all. But here we go. It says delight on there. So cute. Again, fun little bag charm. But this one, the only thing is the inner tube kind of falls off. So this is gonna be perfect when it sits behind me. But we're still gonna keep him. We're still gonna keep him because like, we're just gonna have like 2 little boys. One's just obviously gonna be better than the other one. Sorry, but not sorry. So this is either going to be the secret or curiosity, but no lie, I really just want curiosity at this point because that looks like an alligator and I need it because I live in Florida. Curiosity. It is, the card was already at the top. I hate when that happens. And I got robbed of an experience. Oh, bitch. Look. Oh. Why do I think things with backpacks are the cutest thing? I do not know. But oh, this one is so, oh, and it has a little ducky on him. Shut the up. Okay, so wait, here's the card. So cute. Okay. This one, oh, bitch, 10 out of 10. Oh, this is so good. Oh, I'm so glad I got this one. Oh my God. Little backpack, a little duck on his head. Oh my God, shut up. That's so cute. That is so good. And can I tell you, I actually really love the color of this one. Curiosity. And we love green. Green's our favorite color here. Okay, so Susan, baby. I love you. I love you so much. I am a pig in shit right now. I'm just so thankful. I'm just so thankful. Like, oh, I'm gonna ugly cry, but like really, thank you so much. You didn't have to. I love you. Again, whenever I meet you, I will shrink you down and you'll live with me forever. But I'm truly blown away by this, and they're so fucking cute, and oh, I love it. So my favorite part, let's rank all these little bastards. I think my least favorite, which is hard because I think they're all super cute, but I think my least favorite, oh no, I like you. I'm gonna say affection. Affection is going to be number 6. Although this one is she is so cute. I love the wings, and I like the little monster. Like everything about this one's really cute, but I think there are other things in this collection that are cuter. So that's why it's number 6. Number five, I'm going to say is my sadness, AKA antidepressant. It makes me think of Kids in the Hall brain candy. I feel like only maybe 4% of you might even know what the that is, but that's what this reminds me of. This is like the poster child for Kids in the Hall brain candy. Prove me wrong. Look how cute. I do love his little satchel. I like his little fishy in here. He's so cute. I like his little, kind of almost like a little angler fish in a way. I love this one. But I think the other ones I like a little bit more. That's why it's number 5. Feel bad. Sorry. But it's number 5. Number 4, I think number 4 is gonna be Anger. I think he's super cute. I do have a little Anger pouch thing that he's actually like hanging off like the shelf where my makeup is. And I do love him. And listen, I'm angry all the time. As you should be too. And this one is just so cute. I could channel all my rage into him, right? I could channel my rage. I love this one. This one is so adorable. Then I would say number 3, I'm gonna say is my little social phobia. Social phobia is so cute. And again, I'm not like the biggest bunny person, but there's just something so fun about this one. I love the color. I love like the beige and the brown. I don't know, just this little glasses. He's such a little nerd. Like, like, shut up, nerd. I love this so much. He's so cute. So we're gonna say that one's number 3. Number 2, I'm sorry, Curiosity. Bitch got a backpack. A backpack. All right. I love the backpack. I think that's so cute. I love how he's curious and he's angry and he has a little duck on him and it's a little alligator with a little zipper. Or actually, are you? Or maybe you're a T-Rex. I don't know what the fuck you are, but the detail on this one is so cute. Like, this is an actual zipper thing. It's pretty sick. I love that one. That's number 2. But number 1, just because of pure accessories, is Delight. This bitch has a little inner tube, okay? And he has little sunglasses on because listen, in Florida, we need sunglasses. If you don't have sunglasses, you're a lizard person, all right? I said what I said. This one is so cute. This one's so cute. I love this one so much, and that's why you're my number 1. You're my number 1, buddy. Thank you, Susan. Thank you so much. I love your face. I am so happy. Now I can rest easy. Now I just have to figure out where they're gonna go behind me. But they're gonna go somewhere. Now I wanna hear from y'all. Let me know down below, which one is your favorite? Do you agree with me? Do you see the light? Let me know because I love hearing from you. And again, thank you so much, Susan, for sending this to me. I love you. And of course, if you ever want anything from Pop Boxes, use the code Theresa. Or don't. Do whatever the fuck you want to do. I don't care. Just be happy. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces. And we'll see you little garbage cans tomorrow. Bye.